Take it or leave it. Navigating offers in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a common English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. Take it or leave it. Understanding this phrase is crucial for mastering not just the language, but also the cultural nuances that come with it. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of take it or leave it. Take it or leave it is a phrase used in English to present an offer or deal that is non-negotiable. When someone uses this expression, they're telling you that the conditions they're offering won't change. You can either accept the offer as it is or reject it altogether. It's a straightforward, sometimes blunt, way of setting terms. Key points to remember: non-negotiable offer. The speaker is not willing to make further adjustments. Accept or reject. The listener must decide to agree to the terms as presented or not to engage at all. In negotiations, this phrase often appears in business negotiations or sales, where one party is firm on their price or terms. For example, if you're buying a car and the seller says, "Take it or leave it," they mean the price they've given you is their final offer. In everyday situations, it's not just for formal scenarios. It can also pop up in casual contexts. Suppose a friend offers you an extra ticket to a concert, saying, "Take it or leave it." They're implying they won't offer it to someone else if you decline. Expressing finality. It's a way to express finality and sometimes frustration or impatience with the negotiation process. The underlying message is often, "This is my last and final offer." Understanding the cultural context behind "take it or leave it" is essential. In some cultures, this phrase might seem too direct or harsh, while in others, it's a common part of negotiating. It reflects a level of openness and directness in communication, especially in business cultures that value clear and straightforward dealings. Important aspects: cultural sensitivity. Be mindful of how this phrase might be perceived in different cultural contexts. Directness versus politeness. In some situations, using this phrase could be viewed as impolite. It's important to gauge the context and relationship with the other party. Take it or leave it is a powerful expression in the English language, embodying the essence of non-negotiable offers and decisions. Whether you're navigating a business deal, a casual offer from a friend, or simply want to understand English expressions better, knowing when and how to use this phrase can enhance your communication skills. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, "take it or leave it," and its nuances. Remember, language learning is not just about words but understanding the context and culture that come with them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.